Hi, my name is Elisa Martineau, and this is my project detailing how technology in the classroom can be used in an English Language Arts high school classroom. I created a website based off of my idea that the parents of the students are going to want to know how technology is going to impact their students, and kind of explaining a little bit to them about how my technology is going to be used. So I have an About Me page that basically just explains a little bit about myself, and a letter to the parents that tells them about the ISTE standards, as well as FERPA and how it protects their child. The main part of this is the curriculum tab, which houses everything on how I'm going to be using technology in my classroom and how it benefits their child. So starting with television and video, we're going to be using TV news to analyze persuasive techniques, writing structure, how writing translates to oral presentation, as well as using movie versions of some of the works we'll study, including Shakespeare's plays. Makes it a little easier for them to understand what's happening in that old-time language. Instructional design theory is the main one I use is the icon design model, where they create an artifact that encompasses all the concepts that they've learned. They start with multiple interpretations, looking at it, looking at the background, contextualizing, all with my help along the way. Situated cognition. My students will be using technology to complete projects that mimic situations that they'll be using in their daily lives once they graduate. Things like giving presentations, reading technical work closely, writing things for a variety of audiences in a variety of tones. Goal-based scenarios basically gives them a specific goal that they're supposed to be using these concepts for. Learning by design gives them the chance to design things based off of what they know, kind of discover where they need to look into and move their knowledge farther. Teaching agents, my students will be teaching each other. I'll often have times where I've broken up a larger concept into smaller pieces that each group has to become an expert in and teach their fellow classmates. I use WebQuest for this a lot. Gaming and simulation is one that is used two different ways. First of all, I use Kahoot and other such games for review. I also have them creating games, educational based, off of different concepts that we've worked on that will help others learn the concepts that they've learned. And then collaboration and virtual learning communities, that in particular, we are having a class blog where a lot of different things will be posted. Different assignments, different discussion works, things like that. My only post on here right now is blog rules, which basically talks about that they're to be respectful to each other, that the comments will be monitored, and that they should be responsible. And that's it.